Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you are very good. So let's discuss the concept today. It's a very important concept for you. Everyone will be contract to my video and from the beginning to the end. So before start sharing the video. So start now. Must subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. So next to it, so let's start to the new contract. So welcome. This concept name is RobotQ. So new company and new international company. So this company plan is very beginning and very advanced technology plan. So now start elevation of money. This company elevation is water, gold, model coins and paper money and plastic cards, electronics money and cryptocurrency. 7 type of elevation. This company is red in money. So next startup planning and next company details, more details, and so this is a new generation trader. So this trading now is a robot new generation trader. You know Binance is very beautiful cryptocurrency and very most important. So our services. Then this company is very strategies point. So this company strategy is very up and down. This company trading point. Then robot trading actually so up only no down. So this is important and system is blockchain and advanced technology system. So viewers then in more details, so description box phone number, so collect now and call us. So viewers, RobotQ company is very good company and sharing, trading, food delivery, traveling, etc. Then any how it works. RobotQ is a one-step intelligent and strategy trading platform. Work on crypto market 24 hours anyhow and buy and second buy and sell up and down. So profit, buy and sell. So buy, so red symbol, and sell and profit, green symbol. So viewers, this is stockist your money and sell and profit generate and very big profit mutual funds, share called etc trading funds. So working of RobotQ, see this image. So video pause now and see this image and $10.16 and buy 1.6% and profit in $10. So less than 0.3% and $10.129. So working of RobotQ total more details and profit $0.508 and invest $10.12 and buy $10 and profit $0.508 then profit and 5%, 4%, 0.5%, average $30. Okay, profit structure is a direct selling profit and trading share profit. Two type of profit structure is two type. So first is direct selling profit and second trading share profit. Direct selling means if you selling your partners, so profit and type of income. So direct income, level income, direct sponsor income, same rank income, direct trading income, team trading income, some rank trading income, global trading dividend and global activation dividend. So this type income is very big income opportunity our services. So 8 type of this company income. So viewers, let's start more details in type of income. So plan presentation. So joining $60 and trading profit 20%, robot purchase amount $60 and robot full cost in 20%. So plan presentation is very big presentation. So your investment amount is only $60 and trading profit 20% is very big profit. So apply team bonus. So first direct sale profit $18 30% and second direct sale profit $24 40%, third $30 50%, four $36 60%, five $39 65%, six $42 70%, 20 on 20% on RobotQ profit margin 20%, 4%, 30% profit in 66%, 40% 8% and 50 profit 10%, 55%, 11% profit and 60% and profit is 12%. So this applied team bonus direct profit per the rank and 20% of RobotQ profit margin. So profit margin is very big margin. So applied direct bonus is 30% only. Refer in first you and our RobotQ members R1 and R2 and R3. So $18, $18, $18. Okay, so total applied direct bonus is only 30% disbursed income. Some RAM income is 8.3%. So rank 1 $2, rank 2 $0.5, rank 3 $0.5, rank 4 $0.5 and rank 5 $0.5 and rank 6 $1. Direct sale income direct. And then next income opportunity is very big income opportunity. So some rank trading income 25% of RQ profit and 5% on 20% of RobotQ profit margin. So R1 0%, R2 5%, R3 5%, R4 5%, R5 5%, R6 5%. And profit first R1 0% and R2 2 R6 1%, 1%, 1%, and 1%. So total profit is very big, profit 20% of robot co profit margin. So if you direct sponsor income, so 10% to 15%. So R1 10% level income, R2 10% level income, R3 10%, R4 10%, R5 10%, and R6 15% level income, and very big income. So friends, the next income is global activation income. R6 $3 of RQ profit 5%. This profit will be distributed equally to all 6 members. So global trading income, R6 5% of RQ profit 1%. So this profit will be distributed equally to all R6 members. So this company is international company. So viewers, this is company all details. So more details joining link description box, and any contact, any information, so call now this number. Okay, so viewers, bye bye, take care, don't miss an update. So my channel, subscribe and press the bell icon. So guys, bye bye.